Hi, this is a scenario of image to diagnosis in fetal medicine, uh, first in the series of involving chest and abdomen. Oh, this is 28, 9 or 30 week fetus came for anomaly scan, and these are the images. What do you make out? So we all know that besides guidelines, when you take a section, you have to follow a checklist for each section. So this case scenario is to emphasize the importance of protocol and checklist. If you wish to go through the workup of this case scenario of fetal medicine, please log into www.sonoshare.in. Go to click on the uh, categories to go to the section on image to diagnosis fetal medicine. And when you click on the category, you will see the image to diagnosis fetal medicine. When you click on that, you will get the section on image to diagnosis fetal medicine, and the various case scenarios will be seen one below the other, and click on whichever case scenario you want to see and subscribe, and you can watch the case scenario. Thank you.